welcome back to my channel. We are back in my normal setup here. I am just chilling here. It's Saturday night. I don't really know why I have to give the background of that. So I just got done doing a lip swatch video of, let's see, all of the Pop Beauty lipsticks that were in here. They're liquid lipsticks, and I believe it's like a sister brand of Pixi Beauty. I still haven't done my research on that, but I swatched all of these 9 colors. And my lips are kind of in a little bit of pain going through it right now. So if you see any residue, if it looks weird, if it looks splotchy, that is why, because I just did this lip swatch video. Sorry, yeah. Keep an eye on that on Instagram. It should be on Instagram maybe right now, or maybe it will be after this, I don't know. While I was gone on my trip, I got a couple boxes, so I just thought I'd show you guys what I got because I love sharing what I get from other brands, and these are brands that I work with. 2 out of these 3 brands I've worked with and I use their products and I love them. And then one of them I've never used before, and it's not makeup. It's actually like a, you could say accessory. I don't know how to say that word. Anyways, I thought I'd just show you guys what I got. I don't really know what else to film right now, to be honest with you. I'm like, I want to do a hair tutorial, but I already curled my hair, and so, and my hair's dirty. It's on like day 3 right now, and I want to do it when my hair's a little cleaner, you know what I mean? So I just thought I'd show you guys really quickly what I got. So if you want to see this PR unboxing, then just keep watching, of course. Don't forget to like this video. If you liked it, thumbs up really supports my channel. I love seeing those thumbs ups. I don't really care to see thumbs down, so please don't do that. Please don't. But subscribe, sign up for alerts, follow me on Instagram and all that stuff. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a great week, great day, whatever you're doing right now. Yeah. So first box I got is from Pixi Beauty, which I'm a huge fan, and I'm on their PR list, which I'm like so grateful that they asked me to do that a while back because I love Pixi Beauty. You can find them at Target and they're affordable, and that's like the great thing, and their products are awesome. So I've been using their Glow Mist for like the longest time ever. Right here, I've gone through several of these, and then I also have like their Milky Mist, which I don't really use this as much anymore. Maybe like more so kind of not when you're wearing makeup, but this is good. It says deep moisture, youth preserving. Yes, give it to me. But I love the Glow Mist to set my makeup. I want that extra glow, you know what I mean? So yeah, so we're gonna talk about what they did. So they sent this box because they're celebrating 20 years of Glow, which my sister and I were talking about it, and we're like, wow, I didn't realize, you know, they've been, you know, doing their thing for 20 years. So they've been doing their thing. I don't know how long they've been at Target, but I love going to Target and seeing like what they have and stuff like that. So anyways, the box is super cute. I'm really excited about it. They have a variation of different things in here. But the first thing that they have is this, and I like showing you guys especially because I'm going to be using it, and if I like it, you know, I'll let you know, of course, but I've never used this, and this is the Rose Ceramide Cream, I think that's how you say it, but it's like a rose moisture cream, and I'm going to be using this like every day and letting you guys know how I like it. I love like their vitamin C line. I've been obsessed with that. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, of course, always. I am not a huge rose person, so I'm not sure if this smells gonna be too overpowering for me. Let's see. Doesn't seem to be. It smells more like citrusy, at least from like the tube, but let's see. Whoops. Let's see what it's like on the skin, because of course my hands are dry like always. No, I don't get rose at all. I get more of like a citrusy, like orange smell, and I love that. So I'm really excited to use this. Yeah, I didn't get rose at all. Interesting, which is great because I don't really care for rose, so that's good. But the packaging is so cute. It's just so cute. It has little roses on it. So the next thing that I love, and I think a lot of people love from Pixi, is this Glow Tonic. So this stuff is great. It really just like cleans and balances the pH of your skin. I'm pretty sure it like balances your skin. That's like kind of the point of toner, and just like really cleans it. Like I usually do toner after I cleanse my skin just to get like any residue that's left. So it says it exfoliates and brightens, revealing healthy glowing skin. So I love this. I love stocking up on this stuff because it is amazing. And then next we have the Glow Mist. I'm so excited I got this because as you can see, I already have one that I love. I love using this stuff so much. Like it is so good. And I was actually just at Target like an hour ago, and I picked up some of this vitamin wake up mist. I saw this was on sale, which normally I don't see stuff on sale, but it was like down an end cap of a totally different like section of Target. And they had this vitamin wake up mist, and I love spraying my face. Like during the day, if I don't have any makeup on, like if I'm like, usually my routine is like I get up in the morning and I either do like my devotional for the day, or I go to the gym and come back and do it. I do stuff around the house and things like that. So like if I don't have makeup on, I always like when I wake up my skin and cleanse my skin, I spray it with something. So I haven't tried this vitamin wake up mist. It has orange blossom and citrus extracts. So hopefully it'll make me wake up a little bit more, you know what I mean? But I'm so excited about the glow mask. I love, love, love that. And then they included this eyeshadow palette. This is the Eye Reflection eyeshadow palette. I don't believe I have this one. So I'm excited. It's a lot of shimmer. So I feel like I could just incorporate this into a lot of looks. I'll pull it out of here. This is in the shade Reflex Light. I don't know if I said that already. So pretty. They did send over a couple of eyeshadows like not too long ago, so I'm not sure if this is the same one or different, but I love it. It's so pretty. Like, I don't use a ton of their eyeshadows, not gonna lie. Like, I stick to like Kokie Beauty and things like that, but that is really pretty. All right, next they have this eyeliner. It's the Endless Silky Eye Pen. I don't really use eyeliner, to be honest with you, but I'm kind of wanting to kind of deepen up and do a little bit darker looks sometimes. Like, I feel like I'm just kind of going through the same routine, and like I just wear pretty light makeup for the most part. I've been doing lots of creams lately just because it just, I don't know, it just like, it's easier and it's quick, and like I just do it really, really fast. I think this will be good like for the waterline if you're really trying to do an intense smoky eye. But yeah, I don't do eyeliner that often, but whoa, that is really creamy. Look at that. Look how dark that is. That is super dark. Maybe I'd smudge it and then do like a smoky eye. Like, sometimes I like to do it with eyeliner and smoke it out, you know, because I don't like it to be too intense. But that would be really good if you're doing like a dark, deep, like really smoky, heavy eye, like a sexy date night look or something. Yeah, okay. All right, next they have this Matte Last liquid lip. I really like their liquid lips. They've sent them over before, and I usually always wear like a gloss over top, but this is pretty. I don't normally do colors, but that is pretty. It's in the shade Berry Beauty. Berry Beauty. Oh, I love the doe foot applicator. Oh my God, this is so pretty. I feel like I don't rock colors like this very often, but if I just dabbed a little bit on and made it more of like a lip stain or like a lip tint, that would be really pretty. And my swatches suck, I'm sorry. And then lastly, super excited, we have lip gloss. Y'all know I'm a gloss gal, so this is the Glossy Lip Plumper. And I'm living for this because I am a gloss gal through and through. Okay, I'm putting this on right now. I'm putting this on right now. Bye. It smells minty. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Let me give y'all a close up. Wow, that is so glossy and so pretty. Oh my gosh, that's freaking amazing. I love it. I hate how clear gloss like gets the color of your lipstick, like if you have something underneath on it, but it's like whatever, you just have to get over it. Because most of the times I'm not gonna wear gloss just by itself with nothing underneath. That is pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this. And underneath I have YSL, by the way. I have this YSL lip stain right here. It's in the shade 7. So I will link it down below. I'll link everything I can down below. And I can feel it tingling a little bit. It's not like that like weird, you know how like, okay, so I went through a phase when I was younger where I'd wear like the lip venoms and all that. Like I'd buy all the lip plumpers and I was trying to like see like if it worked on me, and none of them really did. Like it just kind of irritated my lips and made them red, but this feels good. It's like a good tingle. It's not like overpowering like snake venom. You know what I mean? Maybe there is snake venom in it. I don't think so though. I could be wrong. Okay, so the next thing, this is like pretty quick. I don't have a ton of stuff. I only have 3 packages, but this next one might take me a minute because I forgot to get a box cutter and I don't want to get up. I see a loose end. Okay, Kokie. So the next package is from a brand called Kokie Cosmetics, and they're one of my favorite like drugstore brands that you can find at Rite Aid. You can get it online. I don't know if you can get it at Ulta or not. I'm not totally sure, but I don't have any Rite Aids close to me, so I don't really get to see their stuff. But they do send me a package every now and then, which is so nice. So thank you to Kokie. And it's so cute. They have this little card in here. It's just a small little package, and it says, follow the element. Oh, Emily, hope you love our brand new artist palette and entire velvet smooth eyeliner range. Fun. So that'll be fun. I can start playing around with new things. It's nice to like get things in the mail that you don't normally use, because it like kind of gets you out of your comfort zone, can, you know, inspire you to like create different looks. So that's always fun to get some colors. So here's the eyeshadow palette, and then they sent me their whole entire eyeliner line. So that's fun. Tell me down below if you guys use eyeliner, because I hardly ever do. Like, look how many this is. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. But every now and then I do like to do a little bit eyeliner. Sometimes I'll do eyeliner like a color like over my actual black liner or whatever, but these are fun. Kind of create some fun looks with this. Like, look how many colors. Wow. Thank you, Kokie. And then let's see what this eyeshadow palette looks like. I'm interested to see. It's pretty small. Ooh, the Goddess palette. Fun. Oh my gosh, I love these shades so much. Yes, Kokie, yes. Look at that. This is so wearable, and I'm all about wearable. Even though I like to play with color and stuff like that, like I'm all about wearable eyeshadows, and this is like warm and neutral and like I'm all over it, and I'm like cannot wait to create a look with this already because I'm just a huge fan of this shade range, and I'm sure you guys will be too, and it's super affordable. Oh, that's really smooth. Like this feels so smooth. It feels like they like did something to the formula. Look at the shade. Oh my gosh, let me do a shimmery shade. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at that, y'all. Yeah, so here's a couple shades in the palette. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I love these palettes too because they're really easy, like on the go sort of a thing. So let me show you another one that I have. So I also have the Peachy Queen palette, which I love it so much. It is so pretty. It's a lot different. It's like more pinky with like a little bit of peach, but I feel like it's kind of more pink and berry like sort of color. So I'm so excited about this one. This is definitely more something I'll get more use out of because I just love like wearable nudes. You guys know, like y'all know. So I ain't gotta tell you twice. Wow, super pretty. Thank you, Kokie, for sending me that. Thank you for Pixi, or thank you, Pixi, as well. Super excited about that. Okay, so the last thing that I have here is going to be blue light glasses. I know everybody's are blue light blocking glasses. So I know a lot of people have been talking about blue light blocking like late if you're like spending a lot of time in front of a screen, and like I think a lot of people use it more so like before bed so that you can kind of not have that, I guess you get like better sleep or whatever, like instead of, I don't know, it blocks the blue light, whatever. I haven't done a ton of research, but I know that it's supposed to help with that. So this brand, Sojos, I believe that's how you say it, reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try some of their styles out of their glasses, and I said, sure. So the packaging is so cute. I picked out these styles. I have 3 styles here. And the first pair is going to be sunglasses. I'm not sure if the sunglasses are blue light blocking. I think they are. Maybe you need to block the light during the daytime too. Like, I don't really know. But this little case is super chic and super like good quality. I'm pretty sure these are pretty affordable. Let's try them on. This is what they look like. Oh. Ooh, fun. I actually really like these. They feel like they're kind of like sticking out super far, but I feel like I'd get compliments on these, right? I mean, I know they're big, but they're fun. Tell me, do you guys like it when eyeglasses like come down below your eyebrows, or they have to cover your eyebrows? Yeah, these are freaking cute. Like I like these, I dig these. And I guess they block the blue light, I don't really know. But they're super cute and they feel really nice, like good quality. I love the tortoise shell, like I'm a huge fan of that. So that works for Emily. I mean, look, it's just super cute. The packaging, I love. Now this one's gonna be a little different. I see a lot of people wear these sort of glasses and I'm always kind of like, I don't know. But I saw the picture and I thought they were really cute, and let's see what they look like on. Ooh, these are kind of fun. Why do these give me like Kris Jenner vibes? Like they really shouldn't, because I don't think she has any glasses like this, but they're very lightweight. I love the little detail up here. I don't know what you call that, but the shape is really interesting. Like it's not circle, but it's almost a circle. These are fun. Oh my God. I like these a lot. I like them because they're super lightweight and they're just really like, they feel expensive, but they're affordable. And then there's one more pair. And I have some that are sort of similar to this. I don't know if they're gonna be totally different on or totally different like what I'm thinking, but so these are super cute. I love these. Like the shape is so fun. Like it's just like the other ones. and they're just really slim, but they make a bold statement. I know it's hard to like see on camera because of the glare, but they're super cute. I really like them. I will obviously link these down below so you guys can check them out, check the website out, and check their Instagram out and all that stuff if you're interested, because I really like them. I'm all about the blue light blocking. I'm like, whatever I can do, I will, because I'm up really late, and if I can, you know, do something to better my eyes, I will, because my eyes are getting not so good anymore. These are cute. I feel like a librarian. Yeah, I like these a lot. I like the detail. Like, look at the gold detail at the bottom there, and then they're just super cute. I just like them. Go check them out, you guys. That was a pretty quick haul slash PR unboxing, whatever you want to call it. I just thought I'd show you guys some new stuff that I got in the mail, stuff that I'm going to be using, and like if you're interested, you see it on my Instagram, you see me wearing it, you'll know where it's from. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Let me know what you want to see next down below. I'm thinking about doing a, I'll just tell you guys. So like I am really making it like very intentional for me to be eating clean and to be working out like every single day and doing my very best with that, because like I really want to shed some weight and I really want to be stronger and more in shape. I just want to feel amazing. Like I want to feel amazing and look amazing, and it's more so about like the way that I feel, because like when I'm working out and I'm eating really healthy, I feel amazing. So like I might eventually do like a what I eat in the day, like once in a day, once I kind of like get in a routine. Let me know if you want to see that. I've had a couple people ask for that. And then maybe like some more healthy baking videos or something like that. So let me know what you think about that. I'm thinking about doing a Gymshark try on haul. I know I've talked about that a few times, so maybe I'll do an Instagram TV video. I've never done one before. I just feel like it'd be a good place to put that. Unless you want it here on YouTube, let me know. I did a poll on my Instagram and I'm pretty sure the YouTube one won. That makes sense. But let me know. I love hearing back from you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.